there, guys and gals. Good evening to each and every one of you. How are you all doing? Yes, today is February 15, 2025. And you know what is February 15 being all about? Yes, exactly. It's our 40th anniversary on our YouTube channel. Thank you, guys and gals, for the support, the love and affection that you give on the channel, for your everyday, how do you call that thing? Sorry, I'm being lost. For your day-to-day, oh gosh, I'm lost. Sorry, for your everyday support, for keep on viewing my, sorry, I'm hungry, that's why. And I don't have anything to give you guys and girls, sorry. Anyway, just wanna, oh gosh, seeing the, hold on, how about like that? Anyway, happy 30, what's that, sorry, happy 40th, serious. Happy 40th anniversary on our YouTube channel. Thank you for the love and affection that you give on our channel. And belated happy Valentine's Day yesterday, okay? Sorry. To all my... it's itching once again. Sorry. To all my... Gosh! Sorry, please bear with me if I'm not this kind of bubbly. To all my 13 lovely countries, Philippines, United States, of course, Canada, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Brazil, Malaysia, Japan, Vietnam, United Kingdom, Hong Kong, Australia, Indonesia. Sorry. And to all my silent subscribers out there, hi. To all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, thank you so much to each every one of you. And to all my first viewers, to each every one of you, okay? Also to my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo, to my sister Christine, and Helen Careto, and Monet Pacheco in Hong Kong. Thank you so much for the love and affection, for the support. Especially my silent subscribers who've been watching, as always, my daily uploads. Thank you. That's one that I'm telling you. Thank you. Godspeed. More months to go. Thank you. Bye for now. Happy Valentine's Day. Once again, happy 40th anniversary. Thank you.